Subscribe for a bird.
Don't you talk to me like that.
Housemates about watching nominations or anything about this conversation.
Wow.